How to continuously change the color of the text using JavaScript. Let's begin. First, I'm created a color text folder in desktop. Now open VS Code. Open this folder using VS Code. Now I open the folder. Now create a file inside this folder. I'm creating index.html. Now include the essential tags by using exclamation mark and press enter. Now change the title as changing changing text color. For this, I'm using like a division tag text inside this division. I'm just pressing allow. Now we can open the file. See it. Now we should change the text color. It can be achieved by using JavaScript. I'm using the script tag inside this. We can type type the JavaScript code, or we can create a external file. You can create like a script tag and source and the link your JavaScript. This way also possible. I'm not using. I'm just using this. Before proceeding, I'm declaring a variable char equal to 0. Char means nothing. It's defined as current index. Current index. Next, I'm declaring a function change. Function name is change. I'm giving ID equal to t. Now I'm getting the ID document dot get element by ID. T, the ID is t. Now we need to write the change function. Now I typing the body of the function. Like before that, I am giving a array of colors. You can give a constant array. You can give colors equal to square bracket. In this, you can type any number of colors as you like. I'm going to type some colors like blue, green, orange, pink, yellow. I'm typed like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in this array, this colors array. Now we should write the change function which changes the color. Inside this function, I'm just declaring the current index equal to current index plus 1, incrementing by 1, and percent the length of the colors array. You can give like colors dot length. After this, we should assign it to this id t dot style. I'm accessing the CSS property of this t tag, which is text tag. Allow style dot color equal to inside the CSS we changing the color of the text. Color equal to, you can type like colors of current index. Now we should it is not working. We should call this function using a specific interval of time so that it can execute continuously. This can be achieved by using set interval set interval. We should type a function name. A function name is change, and interval of time we need to mention the specify the milliseconds to call the function. Interval of time to call this function, I am typing like thousand means 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Now we can run this. Now you can see the text color is changing. You can see this. Now let me explain the function in detail. First, the set interval calls the function. The set interval. First, we can see about the set interval. Set interval is a method in JavaScript which calls a function in specific interval of time. Here, the time is in milliseconds. 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. Now let me explain how it is working. First, the current initially the current index will be 0. Inside this function, you can see this function. Inside the function, I am declaring the current equal to current plus 1 modulus colors array of length. Now current plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1. First, current is 0 plus 1 modulus 5. 1 modulus 5 which is 1 colors array of current index. Colors arrays of current index is 1. Now colors of 1 is green. Now first the green will be displayed, then current index will be modified to 1. Current index will be modified to 1. Now we can, after again the set interval calls the this change function. Now the 1 plus 1 2 2 modulus 5 is 2. Colors index of 2. Orange will be displayed. Now the orange will be displayed next iteration displayed. Now the current index will be 2, and the 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 modulus 5 is 3. Now colors array of 3. Colors array of 3 is pink. Pink color will be displayed. Next iteration, now the current will be, now the current index will be 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 modulus 5 is 4. Now colors index of 4, which is yellow. Yellow will be displayed. Now the current index will be 4. 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 modulus 5. 5 modulus 5 is modulus is returns the remainder of the number. uh, 5 modulus 5. 5 divided by 5 is remainder is 0. Now colors array of 0. Current will be 0. It also changed it into 0. Next colors of 0. 0 is blue. After this blue appears, and it loop on continuously until we stopping the set interval method. This is really happening here. You can see the code, and first of all you can refresh this. First green, then pink, and after this yellow and blue changes. Next green, orange, yellow, blue changes. This is really happening here. You can place this center, this text in center using center tab. Now you can see. Now you can see. You can increase the font size. You can change the font as you like using CSS. Here I'm just simply explain the how it is working, and how you can do this using JavaScript. That's all about this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you.